what's happening in Karnataka? Is this an indication that soon there could be a change in the Karnataka seat of power? There's breaking updates now coming in as hectic parleys are underway. We are getting you the statement of the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, who says that all stakeholders would be called to the national capital. So from these grumblings that have been taking place in Karnataka, the action now shifts to the national capital. Rahul Gandhi and other senior leaders of the Congress party will be meeting both Chief Minister as well as the Deputy Chief Minister in the national capital.
मैं इन सबको बुला के चर्चा करता हूं। उस चर्चे में राहुल गांधी भी रहेंगे और मेरे हमारे दूसरे मेंबर्स भी रहेंगे, सीएम भी रहेंगे और हमारे डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर रहेंगे। तो इन सबको बुला के चर्चा करने के बाद निर्णय होगा। हाईकमान बोले तो टीम है, अकेला नहीं रहता, टीम है। जब हमारी पूरे हाईकमान की टीम बैठ के चर्चा करके निर्णय लेगा।
So Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar will be summoned to the national capital, and Rahul Gandhi is likely to lead this meeting to decide on what next. Now remember, there have been multiple indications that there could finally be a big change in Karnataka. These speculations over a CM change have been going on right from the beginning, but now indications are coming in that there could actually be a change. My colleague Neha Hebale is joining us on the broadcast with the details. So Neha, now the action shifts back to Delhi. A few days back, the MLAs backing D.K. Shivkumar were in the national capital, but it didn't seem like they got an audience with Rahul Gandhi. But now both the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister have been called to the national capital. What are the details?
Well, Pratibha, that's right. Mallikarjun Kharge, the AICC president, finally breaking his silence on this matter, now going on to suggest that yes, a meeting would be called in Delhi of all of the leaders of the High Command, at which Rahul Gandhi would also be present, along with the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister and other senior leaders. And it's only following this meeting that a final discussion or a final decision on this entire CM change issue would be taken. Remember, of course, at this point, though there have been several MLAs from the CM's camp here, stating and coming forward quite openly and saying that he would complete his 5-year tenure. The fact is that, this statement that's just coming right now from the Congress president, not, of course, allowing for any kind of confusion here, making it amply clear. There is going to be a meeting of the leaders of the High Command, the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister also in presence. Discussions would be held and then a final call would be taken. Now, Pratibha, of course, while it's quite easy for the AICC president to make this statement, there are going to be a lot of discussions that are going to be held now to finally be able to arrive at that decision. Remember, it's not just, of course, the fact that the Chief Minister has many MLAs backing him here, or the fact that the Deputy Chief Minister has a camp of MLAs who've gone down to Delhi to meet the High Command, come back, or the fact that, there's also now the tag of the OBC, Chief Minister that's now arising. Several issues that currently persist within the Congress party that are going to be resolved in a high-level meeting that's going to be held in Delhi. When is this meeting expected? Well, that's something, of course, that he's not particularly stressed upon. But soon is what is being said is of course,
it does
the latest
look like
that's coming.
D.K. Shivkumar himself, his patience is also wearing thin. He also put out a message which seemed to be indicating towards the High Command, keep your word. We have more breaking updates now coming in amid these discussions now shifting to the national capital. We have a reaction coming in from Priyank Kharge. While Mallikarjun Kharge has admitted that yes, there are differences and we're going to resolve the issue, Priyank Kharge seems to be indicating that there is a BJP hand and claiming that there is no rift whatsoever in Karnataka Congress. He claims that there is no issue to resolve.
That in this situation,
anything. Why are they so worried?
Because they say they cannot address the public issue if the issue is not resolved.
Who is addressing? We are here to address public issues, not them. We are the elected government. We are the elected party.
But being opposition, they say they have responsibility also.
Let them raise relevant issues. We will answer.
So will this issue be resolved in Delhi, sir? Both of
there are no issues only to resolve.